How to check the Sony WF-1000XM5 firmware version. First, you need to prepare a USB-C cable to connect the computer and the earbuds charging case. Connect the earbuds to your computer. Now, locate the button on the back of the case. This is the most critical part of the entire process. While holding the button, another hand plugs the USB-C cable into the case. Quickly open and close the lid about 15 to 20 times. When you hear a slight connection chime from your computer, the connection is successfully established. After running the file, the command window will display your earbud's current firmware version. You have now successfully checked the firmware version of your WF-1000XM5. How to download the version check program file. Search audiospare.com.